Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 is freezing randomly. If you are using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Windows is freezing randomly or your computer is lagging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to your file explorer and here just go to this PC and here you have to select the drive where your Windows is installed. So in my case I have C drive, just right click on it and click on properties, then go to tools and here you will see the option of error checking. Here you can see that this option will check the drive for file system error. So you just have to click on this check and then click on scan drive. It will take some moments, almost 5 to 10 minutes. So once it has been done, you just have to go back and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. So after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue, you just have to go to control panel or you can directly search for device manager. Just simply search for device manager here. Now, once you are in device manager, you just have to look for this disk drivers. Just right click on it, click on update driver, and try to update both of these drivers. So once you have done, it might fix your issue. So our error checking has been completely scanned. Our drive has been successfully scanned and no error are found. So you just have to close this. Now once you have done, if you're still facing the same issue, you have to go to search and hit search for CMD. It will open command prompt. Just right click on it, click on run as administrator, click yes. Now in this section, you just have to simply enter SFC space forward slash then scan now. Just enter scan now, then press enter from your keyboard. It might take some time to completely scan your system. So after scanning your system, if there will be any corrupted file or any junk file on your PC, it might be fixed in this step. And after that, you will not get any kind of issue. So after doing that, I recommend you have to go to your settings and here just go to Windows Update and your update section, just go to check for updates here and you just have to make sure that your Windows is up to date. If you find any kind of any update here, just try to update your Windows. You can also go to advanced option, then go to optional updates to try to optionally update your Windows. So once that's done, you can also go to task manager here and you can see which app is using more CPU usage of your PC. So you might get different apps here. You can also check background apps. If any background app is getting more CPU usage, so you can try to block that app. So once you have blocked or you have uninstalled that app, you might not get this issue again. After doing this all tasks, I recommend you have to make a restart with your PC. Or you can also close your startup apps. Just go to settings, go to apps, go to startup, and here you have to disable this setting for all unnecessary apps. Once you have done, just go back and it have completely fixed your issue. Restart your PC and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.